Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 5290. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 5290 is making a strange noise, it could be due to a malfunctioning brush motor. This noise may indicate that the motor is struggling or that debris has lodged itself inside. If left unattended, this issue could lead to further damage, affecting the overall performance of your device. The sooner you address the problem, the better. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement brush motor. First, ensure that your device is unplugged for safety. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the Conga 5290. Keep these screws in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel away from the device. Be cautious not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. After removing the back panel, locate the brush motor. It will be situated near the base of the device. Check for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, you will need to replace it. To extract the motor, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it. Remember to note where each wire connects, as this will help during reassembly. Use the tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Once the wires are disconnected, unscrew the motor from its housing using the Phillips screwdriver. Apply a gentle force to avoid damaging nearby components. After removing the old motor, take your new brush motor and position it in the same place as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wires according to your earlier notes, ensuring a snug fit. Now it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel back onto the Conga 5290, ensuring that all clips are aligned and it fits snugly. Replace the screws to secure the back panel, making sure not to over-tighten them. Finally, plug in your device and power it on to check that the strange noise has stopped and that the Conga 5290 is functioning as it should. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly clean the brush area of your Conga 5290 to remove any debris. Additionally, ensure that you maintain the motor and check for any signs of wear. Regular maintenance can help prolong the life of your device and keep it running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.